guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how you can tag your friends in your Instagram story after you already posted it. Have you ever posted an Instagram story of you, for example, out to dinner with your friends and forget to tag them so that they can repost it? And you don't want to make a new story because that would be so embarrassing? Well, I got you covered because you can actually tag them after you have already posted the story. For this, I've already posted a story. Here you go. Here you can see it. And now I want to tag a friend. So I just press more. Then I go to add mentions. And here you can type in the username. For example, I don't know, Cristiano Ronaldo. Then click on done. And then on add. And well, now he's added to your story. Here, mentioned users in your story. And yeah, he could repost it. That's it. Okay, that was a little hack on how to tag people in your Instagram story after you have already posted it. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.